Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is Vineet and today I am going to a place called as Horsley Hills. It is around 100 kilometers from here. Supposed to be very scenic. काफ़ी अच्छी जगह है, that's what I've heard. So if you talk about the route, I think it's a single lane state highway which is between your STRR and your Kolar highway. As of now the roads are okay, but since it's a single lane highway, I think I gotta be careful because people will try to take over from wherever. So I've got to be a little bit careful. And today I'm riding with two people that I've just met. This is the first time that I'm riding with them. In fact, this is the first time that I'm meeting them. One is from my society, the place where I live, and the other one is his friend. And they both own Royal Enfields. One is, I think, Gorilla 450 and the other one is Himalaya 450. So that's the good part about riding. It lets you meet new people. So that's one friend who is riding Himalayan 450 and the other one is just behind me. I think ये जो Horsley Hills का जो route है ना, इसमें I think we are going to cross lot of small towns, and the ride is not going to be that straightforward. मतलब the rides which I have had till now, they are on that STRR highway and you can just keep on cruising. यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं है, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे bumpy रहेगा ride. But I think that's what the fun is, because STRR में sometimes it will get boring, because एक घंटा तुम 2 घंटा, you know, how are you going to just cruise at the same speed? So sometimes it may get boring. So right now it's showing 8:38, so approximately 2 hours from now. So we were supposed to start a bit early, but thoda sa late ho gaya. One of our friend came a bit late, and I think that's okay. But I'm just worried about the route. If this is how it's gonna be throughout the trip, I think thoda sa issue aayega. Okay, I think now we have the 4-lane road, so hopefully this is better, because single lane mein yaar, I mean it's fine, you can definitely ride. It's just that you need to concentrate a bit more, you need to be a bit more careful. अब अगर ये वाला double lane 4-lane road मिल जाए, then nothing like it becomes very easy. But yeah, the other thing that I'm observing is this route is not at all scenic. Maybe towards the end we'll find it more scenic, more aesthetic, to be honest. But for now it's just cities, small cities and towns. In fact, when we are coming back, I think we're going to see a lot of traffic, and that's when I'll face problems with my bike. I think a better road would be, I don't know if that can be done, to take maybe the Kolar highway, that's the standard one, and then when you come near Horsley Hills, maybe take a diversion from somewhere. I don't know if that works. Maybe I can check that out later. Okay, let's talk about Horsley Hills a bit. So I did read about it last night, just like for 10 minutes or so in Wikipedia. A very interesting thing, right? So Horsley Hills का actually दो नाम है. One is a local, I think, Telugu name, which is based upon a lady, old lady who used to stay at the top of the hill, and she used to be fed by the elephants. So जो local name है, I don't know how to pronounce it, but जो local name है, उसका जो नाम है, it's related to elephants, and it's based on that lady. And English name है, which is Horsley. वो I think it's based on some Britisher who was here before independence. तो उसके नाम पे वो Horsley Hills पड़ गया. And yeah, I mean this hill does not have any history whatsoever. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. It's just part of Western Ghats. All right, the roads are bad. मुझे लग रहा है we are in for a adventure because it's going to be like this. मुझे लग रहा है I think we are in for an adventure because I think it's going to be like this for a long time. I think we are in for an adventure because I think route इसका यही है. It's going to be single lane roads. Hopefully ज़्यादा crowded ना हो, नहीं तो राइड करने में इतना कुछ खास मज़ा नहीं आएगा. And you know, they were actually planning to go to Hogenickel. This is the place that I suggested. So the road has to be good. Otherwise, they're gonna say, भाई ये कौन नया बंदा आ गया, कहाँ ले गया पता नहीं. I was so excited about the trip that मैं आज सुबह बहुत जल्दी उठ गया. I think I slept at around 9:30 and then I got up at around 3:30 in the morning. And we were supposed to start our trip at 5:30, so 2 hours earlier. और कुछ खास हुआ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही जग गया फालतू में. I tried sleeping after that, but नींद भी नहीं आ रही थी. And you know, that's the... And now I am yawning because I woke up so early कि अब मेरे को नींद आ रही है धीरे धीरे. What I have observed is that I keep yawning. मतलब every morning ride that you see me doing, I think पता नहीं starting के 1-2 घंटे में इतना yawn करता हूँ मैं. I think it's maybe because I'm not getting proper rest. ये वाला हफ्ता भी was crazy for me. I had so much of work. And now ये work from home वाला चक्कर भी जो है ना, it's no more there. So everyone is now calling people, their employees to office. So उसके चक्कर में you have to travel also during the week. So I go from Whitefield to Koramangala every day. So you can just imagine in Bangalore traffic how much time would it take. I mean, I think I drive around 3.5 hours daily. वो सब तभी ठीक है, but then after reaching office you have to work like a donkey for 9 hours. So weekend में कितनी जान बचेगी? That's the whole point. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है हॉर्सले से ज़्यादा लोग जाते नहीं हैं because it kind of feels empty, right? I mean, I don't see any bikes. हम 3 लोग ही जा रहे हैं, जिसमें से मेरे 2 दोस्त तो मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहे. I don't know where they. Let me maybe stop for a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video for now. ना अच्छा सनराइज़ है, ना अच्छा रोड है, ना अच्छा व्यू है. I don't know, ये शायद हमने रूट गलत ले लिया है to Horsley Hills. Maybe we should have taken the Cooler Highway. But yeah, since we have taken this route, then maybe I will just go with it. But ये route कुछ खास नहीं है. If something interesting comes up, I'll again switch on the video and I'll take it. But for now, let me pause it and see you guys in a minute.